Hi everyone, welcome back to Developer's Magic. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make to-do list manager app using Visual Studio. If you're new to C# or just want to brush up on your coding skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Developer's Magic. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Alright, let's get started with the developing. Now we have to add 4 buttons, text box and list box to our form. We are going to customize them a little bit. Buttons are to add task or remove task from list, and to export or import list, which can be saved as regular text file on our computer. Each button has simple but important function. First one we code is to add task into list. Code for our program is very simple. I will leave comments in the code to label which part does what in our program. Second button we code is to remove task from list. Last 2 buttons are to export and to import list from text file. Next step is testing. And there it goes. We can generate them as many times as we want and remove them. When we are done, we can export list into text file, and when we need it, we can load the list from file. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Developer's Magic for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.